Benefits of turmeric milk. Turmeric is a yellow spice commonly used in cooking, and it has been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda. It contains a compound called curcumin, which is believed to be responsible for many of its potential health benefits. Here are some of the health benefits associated with turmeric milk. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Drinking turmeric milk may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with various chronic diseases. Immune system support. Turmeric milk is often touted for its potential immune-boosting properties. The combination of turmeric and other ingredients like ginger or cinnamon in the milk can provide antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that support the immune system. Digestive health. Turmeric has traditionally been used to support digestion. Drinking turmeric milk can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, improve gut health, and alleviate symptoms like bloating or indigestion. Joint and muscle health. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric may help reduce joint inflammation and alleviate pain associated with conditions like arthritis. Turmeric milk can be soothing for sore muscles and joints. Sleep aid. Turmeric milk is often consumed before bedtime due to its relaxing properties. Some people find that the warm milk, combined with the soothing effects of turmeric and other spices, helps promote better sleep. Antioxidant activity. Turmeric contains powerful antioxidants that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Drinking turmeric milk can provide a dose of these antioxidants, which contribute to overall health and well-being. Potential mood booster. Some studies suggest that curcumin may have antidepressant effects by influencing neurotransmitters in the brain. While more research is needed, some people find that turmeric milk helps improve their mood and overall sense of well-being. Turmeric milk, also known as quat, golden milk, and quat, is a popular beverage made by combining turmeric with milk, dairy or plant-based, and other ingredients like black pepper and honey. The addition of black pepper is believed to enhance the absorption of curcumin in the body. Drinking turmeric milk may offer the benefits mentioned above along with the added nutrients from milk, such as calcium and vitamin D. While turmeric milk can be a healthy addition to your diet, it's essential to remember that it is not a magical cure-all. It should be enjoyed as part of a balanced and varied diet, along with other healthy lifestyle practices. If you have any specific health concerns or medical conditions, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or incorporating large amounts of turmeric milk. Hope you liked the video and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and support our channel, Miss Healthy.